Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the rainbow flood effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, and then scroll down to find the rainbow flood effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to use the player head to take a look at what it does. Now we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab and we can mess with the filter, the glow, the mount, range, and size. So let's see what we can do. So if I decrease the size, it mostly affects my clothing. And then the range, like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. So what we can do is we can add keyframes to this. So let's bring the player head to the beginning of the clip. We're going to do this. We're going to decrease the range and the size, put keyframes on both at the beginning of the effect. And now we're going to put the player head in the middle of it, increase the range, and increase the size as well. And let's take a look at what we've done. And there you have it, the rainbow flood effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.